Hi, in this video we'd like to talk about treatment of adenomyosis at Antai Hospital. Now, Antai Hospital is now introducing a new technique that is proprietary, only available at Antai Hospital, highly effective in the full treatment of adenomyosis. Now, in this new technique, we are using an ultra minimally invasive treatment method where we will be using laparoscopy, and then we will enter into the pelvic cavity where we can observe these adenomyomas, these lesions that are representing this adenomyosis disease. Then we will inject certain medication substance into each of these adenomyomas, and then they will be eliminated completely, allowing you to fully recover from this dreaded disease. Adenomyosis affects a lot of women, and its distinct characteristics is the extreme menses pain. It is easily diagnosed because of this symptom alone and has several complications as well. For example, pain during sexual intercourse, and it can cause progressively increased menses pain, which means it's going to be much more severe each time you get your period. And that's why it's very debilitating, and it affects your daily life, your quality of life for a lot of women suffering from this condition. And it can also affect fertility as well, which is why you want to get diagnosed and treated with the correct specialist as soon as possible at an earlier age. You don't want to wait until when you're trying to get pregnant and then only solve this condition. This condition can lead to infertility, recurrent miscarriage, and miscarriages during your pregnancy. So treatment beforehand is highly crucial. Now, Antai Hospital offers this treatment, and it is different from conventional approaches as well. In many general hospitals, their treatment approach is directly to remove the entire uterus. This is the most commonly used tactic. Either they will recommend full hysterectomy or partial hysterectomy. They do not attempt to remove these adenomyomas either via laparoscopy or via this injection method via our new ultra minimally invasive. This requires experience and technique, and Antai Hospital does offer this treatment under a full new surgical treatment system at Antai, which is our Antai 414 treatment system. Now there are four regardless of the amount of adenomyomas you have, regardless of the duration of adenomyosis that you've had throughout your entire life, regardless of the patient's age, and also regardless the size of these adenomyoma lesions. We will all be using one effective treatment method, which is this new ultra minimally invasive laparoscopic technique, and we can have 4 guarantees for you after treatment. First of all, there's no more menses pain anymore. It's very important for quality of life. There will be no more recurrent miscarriage, no more fertility issues, and there will be no recurrence. And finally, the most important part, which is no hysterectomy. This part is very important to us because it is a core philosophy of Antai Hospital to protect uterus from unnecessary removal or castration, and which is still being done worldwide today. Antai Hospital is the only medical institution that is protecting women from these drastic medical approaches where they do not recommend proper treatment and simply just remove the entire uterus, affecting their fertility, causing them to unable to have any children of their own. Now, if you'd like to receive this effective treatment for adenomyosis, if your doctor advises you for hysterectomy, please seek a second opinion first and get in touch with us, because we can have it treated without the removal of your uterus. Protecting your uterus is our main responsibility. We want you to avoid unnecessary castration, and you can do that here at Antai Hospital. So for more information on this adenomyosis treatment with our new technique, please visit the website and also leave me a comment down below as well.